Hey guys, welcome back to Pinchin Projects. My name is Belle, and in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this fall bouquet. You can also make this Halloween just by picking out some Halloween picks. But before we get into it, make sure that you leave this video a big thumbs up. Also make sure that you have subscribed and click that bell so you don't miss any more future high-end creations on a shoestring budget. And let's get into it. Before we get started, you're going to need this planter or vase. You're also going to need some floral picks. I got some berries and some dahlia bush. I'm not sure how to pronounce that. You're also going to need some foam. But anyways, that's what I picked up. You can pick up like Halloween picks if you want to make this like a Halloween bouquet. So first thing first is I'm just going to wrap this foam, and it does make a mess, I'm going to be honest. So I don't know, maybe open this over a trash can or something. You got to open, we're just going to shove it down in there, just press firmly and it should go in there. You can cut it if you want, but to me that just makes it even more of a mess. I know that Dollar Tree does sell the foam blocks in green that are already pre-cut, so you could use those. Anyways, you're just going to take your floral picks, and I'm going to take the tags off, and then I'm going to start cutting them down where each of the berries are separate instead of together on this one pick. I'm going to leave about 2 or 3 inches of the stem, that way we can shove it in the foam. And I'm going to do that to all of my picks. Once we cut them all, I'm just going to shove my picks in the foam. You can shove it and then take it out, then put some hot glue on it and then shove it back in there if you prefer. But I'm just going to shove it in there and leave it as is. That way, when fall's over with, you can easily take this apart and reuse it for next year. And this is just where you get creative with it, you know, make it your own. I'm just going to like put a berry here, then put some flowers around it because I have more berries than flowers. So that's really all you're going to do, is just stick them where you'd like. Once I'm done sticking all my flowers in, this is what it looks like. I have these glitter pumpkins that I picked up a while back in the Halloween section at Dollar Tree. So I'm just going to use it as like a gap filler. There might be some like white spots you want to like fill in. So I'm just going to hot glue them down, and also it just adds a little bit of glitter, a little bit of, you know, pizzazz to it. So I'm just going to hot glue it down in place, and some I put like, you know, to fill in the gaps, and others like I would put like in the middle of a flower, you know, get creative with it. And guys, that is literally it. That's all you have to do. This should take you tops 10 minutes, and this is how it turned out. Let's see how this looks. And that's it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video by leaving me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure that you share this channel with your friends or people that you know that need it. Also, make sure that you have subscribed and that you click that bell. That way you don't miss next week's videos. I'm going to be hauling some more Dollar Tree fall stuff and doing some more fall Halloween DIYs. So make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!